Hello, everybody in Comp 1301, right after my integrated reading and writing class on Tuesdays. How's everybody doing? I hope you had a great weekend. It's Thursday where I'm at, so I haven't had that weekend yet, but we'll see how things go. Anyways, what I'm going to be talking to you today is mainly just reinforcing what we learned on Tuesday and just giving you a few of those little extra pointers on what you have to have done. Well, the first thing you need done when we meet again on Tuesday, there are two quizzes, remember. One is the M4 quiz on body paragraphs. Sorry, you can hear some of my students in the background. I'm doing this at the high school. But yes, you'll need to do the M4 quiz on body paragraphs and the M5 quiz on coherence. Now, what does coherence mean again? If something is coherent, it makes sense. So, for example, the young men you can hear yelling about their video games on their phones, to some people that wouldn't really make sense, okay? But to them it does. Now, in this case, remember, coherence, when it comes to a paragraph, it's really important because when you make an argument, it's important to keep all your points tied into that first sentence, or at the very least, the sentence after the first sentence. So, remember, there are three kinds of patterns that you can do when you are doing or trying to ensure that you have coherence with your pieces. You can do the coordinate pattern, which is A means I'm going to go someplace else because I don't want to wreck their fun. And at the same time, I want to make sure you can hear me, and I can barely hear me myself. So, coherent patterns follow a pattern of T for the topic sentence, and then every single sentence starts with a 1, because every single sentence after that topic sentence supports the first sentence, the number 1 sentence. Your topic sentence is the number 1 sentence. So, in the very end, recall, the very end is a sentence like your topic sentence. It's called the wrap-up. So, what we're doing in that kind of a situation, we are looking at T, 1 all the way to the W. Now, there's the other kind called the subordinate pattern. That can be a little trickier to write, but if you want to try it, go ahead. In a subordinate pattern, you have your topic sentence, put a T in front of it, and then the second sentence supports that first one, so you put a 1 in front of it. Then the third sentence supports the second sentence, so you put a 2 in front of the third sentence. And then the fourth sentence will support the third sentence, so you put a 3 in front of the fourth sentence, and so forth. If this is getting confusing, you can go back to M5 and look at the slideshow or the videos again. Okay? So, and the third one, which is the most confusing of all, is called the mixed pattern. You got your topic sentence on one end, you got your wrap-up on the other end, and you've got 1, 2, and then 1, and then 2 and 3, and then blah, 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 all over the place. I hate mixed patterns. Okay? Does never really work for me all that well. So I don't worry about it too much. What you will do is take a sentence, have it be about at least 5 sentences. Take a paragraph. Put a topic sentence at the top, and a wrap up at the bottom, and 3 sentences in the middle. You can make it coordinate. You can make it subordinate. Okay. I'd really ask you, maybe we'll hold off on the mixed pattern right now because those are real confusing. Okay. And once again, you will take that after you finish your other 2 quizzes on body paragraphs and coherence, and you will upload your new paragraph that's got its T's and its 1s, its 2s, its 3s, whatever it is, and its W sentence. You'll upload that paragraph to M5. Try writing a labeled body paragraph. I see that, I give you credit, and everybody's happy. Sound good? Alrighty, folks, I think that's going to be all that I'm going to need to talk to you guys about for today. Like I said, take a look at the deadline on the Canvas assignment. And by the time that hits, please upload your sentence, your paragraph. You can either type it up and upload it as a word processing file, or you can write it out neatly, take a picture, and shoot that up instead. Okay, everybody. Looking forward to seeing everyone on Tuesday. We'll get to our next thing then. Alrighty. Take care. Have a great night. And I hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.